What's up, guys? I'm super excited to bring this new video to you guys, but before we got started here, I wanted to just give you guys a little bit of background information. So on Saturday and Sunday, I think we had about 11 shooters, and then on Monday we had only about 6 people, but we ended up doing pretty good with what we had, and we made the most out of our opportunities, and hope you guys enjoy. Another doe. 3 does. Nice shooting. Well, it's kind of been a slow weekend so far. I think we are at 15, 16, 17 deer, something like that. And the 2 days, we're about halfway through our second day of hunting. We're gonna be out here again Monday hunting. But just haven't been quite seeing the numbers. It's a little bit warm this weekend, so they're not really herded up in the timbers. They're kind of out in the CRP fields and just kind of out, spread out a little bit more. So we've been struggling a little bit getting them in herds, but we've got some good shooting in. We've got some deer coming in, and hopefully I got some good footage for you. pretty sure Mallory just shot a deer. At least one she shot, and then I heard it bellowing, so that's a good sign. And there's probably about 5 or 6 of them, and they cut up over the hill towards where we got another sitter, so hopefully he got something down. And oh, I got a squirrel right here. Like you doing some shooting.
What was that, time?
Might have been.
Oh yeah, look at this one. This was a good shot.
Oh yeah. Get that on the camera right there.
Everybody knows he means business.
Hell yeah.
That's right.
Get to gutting them.
Get your audio going too?
Yeah. Why is that?
Just want everybody to know Cash is a big pussy.
Yeah.
Here you go, Jim. You know, if you shot more deer, you'd be a little faster.
Well, Taylor, if you want to go up there and cut my other one up, you sure can.
Tell you what, I bet I'll have that one finished.
Well, hold on, let me just go.
Fall out of the wind, boys.
What? You ain't done. No, it ain't.
Can you see everybody?
I think so. Or we'll see later.
Well, it's Sunday night. We're back here at the shop. We had one deer we're going to cut up here tonight. We ended up shooting 20 this weekend. We're going out hunting again tomorrow on Monday. We'll see what we can turn up then with a little bit of a smaller group, hitting some farms that we've already hit this weekend. But we should be able to get at least a couple. Hopefully I can get a few more videos. But I think we're going to get this deer hung up and start cutting into it.
Yep.
Oh God.
Oh, fuck you.
Oh damn, Jensen. We probably want the back facing that way.
Oh,
Oh, face. Go, get the fuck in there. Come here. Go, Legend. Oh, get rid of it.
back straps.
That's like my dog. It's like a whale penis.
Chill.
Alrighty, we're just getting started on the first stand of the day, Monday morning. I just started right there at the draw, and already there's been 6 or 7 shots from the sitters up here, so we got some deer moving already. Should be a good day. There we go.
I didn't even see her go down, to be honest with you.
Oh, really?
I knew I hit her and she started wobbling.
She just took off up here and you found her on the hill?
Well, she couldn't have been just much farther down over that knoll.
Oh, yeah. Alrighty, this is stand number 4 for the day. I think we still just got 5 down. That might be a deer standing right there. So I'm gonna wait here for a minute. I got Taylor coming up here somewhere. Should be coming right up there. The deer's right there. She might try running my way. I'll see if I can't cut her off. Could get good here in a second. Oh, they're gonna cross. Son of a gun. Crap. Hey guys, just real quick before we take a look at this next clip, I just want to let you guys know I'm not trying to put anybody out there or shame anybody for anything, but we almost had a close call when we were out there hunting. So I was a pusher. I was walking down a fence line straight towards one of our sitters, and we ended up having a deer come running between us, and the sitter couldn't see me because I was right down the fence line and there was some brush in the fence line. And it was just a little bit of a close call. Kind of makes you think a little bit about things you can go back and do differently to help prevent it. And one thing I can think of is if you're pushing and you're getting to a spot where you're coming around a corner, you're just coming up over a hill where you think you're going to be able to see your sitters real quick, you know, just give them a little woo woo, you know, a little something, or whistle at them and, you know, wave the hat at them, just to make sure you guys see each other and know where each other's at. And even if it's a farm you've hunted before and you know everybody else has hunted before and you know where people are going to be at, sometimes you get deer running. There can be a little bit of confusion. Just try to stay on the same page with everybody and just let people know when you see them and where you're going to be at, and try to keep your shots as safe as you can. Easy! I'm right here! I'm pushing this fence line right to you, Kevin. I'm pushing this fence line right to you, watch out. Yeah, that was almost not good.
Sorry if I lost anything your way.
I didn't hear anything, but she looked like she was pretty much right between us when you shot.
Yeah.
Well, I think this is farm number 5 or farm number 6 now. We ended up shooting 2 off of that last one. We got a pretty long push ahead of us. I could go all the way down over the hill on the horizon and then loop all the way down and over. So we got a pretty long push here. Hopefully we can get some deer moving. I don't see her. I think you got her, Taylor. She's down right here. Yeah. I'll make sure she's dead. Trying to pick her head up. I'm gonna finish her off real quick. Oh, you got a good shot on her. Yeah. Yeah, she's done.
Got one basically at 30 points.
Okay. Okay.
Well, I don't know. How many did I get up there?
I think they said that too right up there.
There's another one in the ditch, and then there's another little buck.
Uh-huh.
Holy fuck. I've never seen so many deer. I mean, they just...
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Holy crap. No,
Oh, we got him.
Good shot, Waylon.
Well, it's getting to the end of the day here, Monday. We're kind of kicking butt. I think we got 20, 21 deer down. Oh, there goes 2. Well, I kind of had them deer sneak up on me, but I think I might have hit one of them. We're gonna get down here, get set, and get rolling. But I guess that's a good sign. There's some deer in here.